will give it secretion of urine. So remember that these two important hormones of pituitary are secreted by hypothalamus and stored only in the posterior pituitary or the hypophysis. Secreted in the paraventricular and suboptic nucleus of the hypothalamus. Next is the thyroid gland. We have two thyroid glands on the cervical area. So we have cervical on the neck, di ba? Bilaterally located dito along the larynx and sternum. Over the larynx, meron tayo sa thyroid gland. These are bilobe glands, secrete two important hormones, the T3 or the triiodothyronine and the T4 or the L-thyroxine. So among the two, remember the T3 is more potent than the T4. More potent. More potent. 3 times potent than the T4. T3 are produced by 3,000 version of T4. So triiodothyronine are produced of 3,000 version of T4, while T4 can only produce in the thyroid gland. Yung T4 pwedeng mag-bump, T4 pwede ka makaproduce na T3. T4 sa thyroid gland walang makuha. So we have also two precursor molecule information of the thyroid hormone. Yung monoiodothyronine and the diiodothyronine. Nalala niyo pa yun? Yung stages of hormone or thyroid hormone production. Coupling, organification, and then release. So kapag ka nagsama yung dalawang monoiodothyronine, and the isang monoiodo at isang diiodo, we will produce the T3. Pag nagsamang diiodo, dalawang diiodo, we will produce the T4. And then, release. Another important cell in the thyroid gland are the T cells or the parafollicular cells. So this parafollicular cell secretes calcitonin, which is important for calcium metabolism, di ba? For calcium metabolism. Dahil yun. So another important thing about the thyroid gland, the general effect of thyroid hormone.